Humbert. Okay, Humbert, Ferguson, Humbert, Ferguson. There it is. DeAsia, or more. Okay, yeah, I gotcha. Janae, there's DeAsia. Let's see, Williams. Okay. Alrighty. Okay, so we're going to continue. And we got, okay, so now we're going to take a look at now we're going to look at the derivative of a natural logarithm function. Okay, the derivative of a natural log is 1 over x. So if you let u be, so if we're working with natural log u, something other than just x, then it's going to be u prime over u, where u is not 0. All right, so let's take a look at a problem, and we're going to take a look at natural log of the square root. So something other than what's on there. Okay, so Blackman. Okay, so here's our, where's my board? Here's my board. Oh, yeah. All right. Am I not able to get my board? Oh, I see. I've lost mine. All right, let's try this again. Here we go. Okay, so we said that the derivative of d over dx of a natural log x is either 1 over x, or if we looked at it as natural log u, then that's u prime over u, where u is greater than 0. And we're looking at here y equals to natural log of the square root of 2x to the third minus 1. Okay, so first thing you want to do is look at what's inside here as the u. So this would be u is 2x cubed minus 1. And so therefore u prime would be, we bring that 3 down, right? So that's 2 times 3. And then we subtract 1. So that's x squared. And then the 1, that goes to 0. So that, therefore, u prime would be 6x squared. Okay, so we're looking at this, as y equals to natural log square root. So this will be, we change this radical to an exponential expression, from radical to exponential. So this will be 2x cubed minus 1, and this becomes 1 over what? Since this is square root, then this will be 1 over, you should have said 2. If this was cube root, then there'd be 1 over 3, and so on. Okay, so now we want to bring this 1/2 down front. So that's y equals 1/2 natural log 2x cubed minus 1. Okay, so that's our u. Okay, and so this is like saying y equals 1/2 natural log u. Okay, because u is 2x cubed minus 1. All right, so now if we apply the derivative y prime, then that becomes 1/2 u prime over u. Okay, and we said that u prime is 6x squared. So this will be y prime equals to 1/2, and we said u prime was 6x squared. 6x squared over u, which we said u was 2x cubed minus 1. 2x cubed minus 1. Let me make this a little bigger. 2x cubed minus 1. There, that's better. Okay, so from here, we have we've got, so now we can go ahead and apply 1/2. So this would be, so 2 can go into 6, and that's a 3. So this will be 3x squared over 2x cubed minus 1. All right. Any questions with that?
Can you go back up right quick?
Hey, Mr. Dennis, can you let Clarence in?
Can I what?
Can you let Clarence in?
Oh. Yeah. Okay. Any other questions? Okay. Let's try another one. So let's go back to our PowerPoint. And go to the next one. All right, let's look at problem number 54 this time. Same, we're still in the same group, 43 through 66. We're trying to find the derivative, but now we're going to look at problem number 54. Okay, so problem 54. We've got f of x equals to the natural log of 2x over x plus 3. All right, so let's switch the screen for you. All right, and so we're back here to the board. So this time, u is 2x over x plus 3. And so u prime, need some room here. If we looked at this as f over g, then this would be g times f prime minus f times g prime all over g squared. So that would make this x plus u prime would be x plus 3 times f prime, which would be 2, minus f, which would be 2x, minus g prime, which would be just 1. And that's all over x plus 3 quantity squared. So u prime would be 2x. If we distributed this 2, it would be 2x plus 6 minus 2x all over x plus 3 quantity squared. And so u prime, so the 2x's will cancel, right? Look at these 2x's, they cancel. And so we get 6 over x plus 3 quantity squared. All right. So now we want to go ahead. So when we apply, so I'm going to rewrite this function down here. F of x is equal to the natural log of 2x over x plus 3. So f prime is going to be u prime over u. Okay. So that's going to make this u prime, we said, was 6 over x plus 3 quantity squared over u, which we said u is 2x over x plus 3. So this is 2x over x plus 3. Okay, questions with that so far? Okay, so now we know that if we're dividing fractions, we have to multiply the reciprocal, right? So that's like saying 6 over x plus 3 quantity squared divided by 2x over x plus 3. Okay, so that means we have to multiply the reciprocal, right? Flip and multiply. So that's going to be 6 over x plus 3 quantity squared times. So what was the x plus 3 is in the denominator, now it's in the numerator. And the 2x was in the numerator, now it's in the denominator. So this is the same thing as saying x plus 3 times x plus 3, right? So basically, we're canceling one of the x plus 3's out, right? So it's like we're just take away an exponent. So that'll become 6, and then the 6, that can cancel in the 6, and that's 3. So now that's 3 over x times x plus 3. And so we get, if we distribute that x, that'll be 3 over x squared plus 3x. And that's our answer. Okay. Questions with that? All righty. So so let's go back to our PowerPoint notes. And here we are. Okay, let's take a look at the next one. Number 60. Back up one. Number 64. All right, so any questions with the last one? All right. So so that's 64. Here we have natural log of cosecant x, y equals to the natural log of cosecant x. Okay, so let's take a look at the derivative for cosecant. D over dx for cosecant x, and we mentioned this once before, is a negative cosecant x, cotangent x. Okay, so let me switch back to the board. Here we are. Okay, and so this is what we've got. Okay, we're looking at y equals to natural log cosecant x. The derivative of cosecant is negative cosecant x cotangent x. So therefore, since the d over dx of natural log u is u prime over u, right? We have here u is cosecant x, and u prime is a negative cosecant x cotangent x. Okay, so when we apply the derivative for y prime, right, we get u prime over u, which is going to be u prime is a negative cosecant x cotangent x. U is cosecant x. Well, the cosecants can cancel, right? Cosecants can cancel out. And so our answer is a negative cotangent x. And that's our answer. Okay, questions with that? Okay. So we've got 1 minute left. So we'll go ahead and stop here. We've got a couple more. So any questions with any of this? All righty. So that concludes today's session. Let's see. I've got here is a Cushman. Cushman's not here? No,
Yeah, I am.
Cushman. Oh, Cushman, you're Lavender. Okay.
Yeah.
I'll late. Cassidy Sanders? No Cassidy? Okay, Cassidy's not here. Thaddeus, not here. All right.
Did you get me Kia Humbert?
Yes. Yeah, I got
Okay.
you pretty early on. So I
Me
only,
too.
yeah, everybody else I got. So I got Blackman, Cushman, Kiara, Shatia, Deasia, Julian, Janae. I don't have Cassidy. I do have Shara. I don't have Thaddeus. I do have Asia, and I do have Clarence. Okay. All righty. So hope you have a good rest of the day, and we'll see you on Wednesday. Have a good day.
Have a good day.
Thanks. You
Have a
too.
good day.
Thank you.